Today in the lab, we made an air freshener from scratch. We measured the ingredients carefully, mixed them together, and watched as they transformed into a very beautiful masterpiece of a product that smells fresh and can be used every day.
Can you mix water and oil? If you put water and oil, what will happen? Will it mix completely? It will not mix completely. This is what is going to help us. We have Texapon. We have other alternatives. Like we can use polysorbate 80 or polysorbate 20.
The class was really a top experience. The teacher obviously had much experience, has shared his knowledge with us successfully. I gained many stuff, but the most interesting part, in my opinion, was about Texapon, which allows oil and water to mix, and it was one of the main substances that made us to carry out this procedure successfully, because without it, the air freshener wouldn't have been made.
The class was very interesting, very fun, and one of the things I enjoyed the most was learning about ethanol. So I learned that ethanol is also called ethyl alcohol or green alcohol with the formula C2H5OH.
We're learning about making of air freshener, and what was really fun today, what I really learned that was really fun today was about nitrosol, which is also called hydroxyethyl cellulose or HEC, which is a thickener and a stabilizer which helps oils and water fragrances to come together.
It may seem like a simple activity, of course, but it did teach us some important, very, very important scientific skills like measuring accurately, observing changes, following procedures, and working safely in the lab so as to prevent any injuries from happening. Today's lesson reminded me that some of the best learning happens when we get to experiment with our own hands. The challenge I have for you viewers whenever you get the chance to go to the lab, or which you can equally implement in your daily life, is stay curious, ask questions, and never be afraid to try something new, because every great discovery starts with a simple experiment. And that's what we're experiencing here every day at St. Mary's International College Summer Camp, where learning goes beyond the classroom and becomes something you can see, create, and enjoy.